Hello everyone, it's Lauren from the Holistic Temple here. Today I wanted to bring to you an unboxing of Rebecca Campbell's new Oracle cards called the Rose Oracle. I have been using her Work Your Light cards for a little while now, so I'm super excited to receive these today. They were on back order. So I have received these from Booktopia. Whichever way you can see that best. And they retail for $29.75. So let's jump in and have a look. Okay, so let's jump in. Have a look. Like I said, these have been on back order. And I'm super excited to start using these. Get them out of that box. Here we go. This is from Booktopia. Oh, wow. So if you can see here, they're not even in a standard rectangular box. This is quite exciting. Okay, let's try and get through this plastic wrap. Oh, look how beautiful they are. Absolutely love the images that she uses for her cards. They're just so divine, so serene, just so beautiful. Okay, let's open them up. Love them already. Look how beautiful this box is. Holy moly. Yes, that is so nice. I've never seen cards done like this before. Ha ha ha. I love that. I love that. As you can tell, I'm blown away. Okay, so let's take them out. So this is a 44 card deck with the guidebook. I'll just read what it says on the back here, and it says, "The rose is a symbol of goddesses of old, and she holds potent medicine for these times. This oracle creates space for you to connect with her energy, wisdom, and breathtaking beauty. May her healing mysteries call you home to your true nature." Ooh, love it. Okay. Over there. This says, "Unlock the sacred mysteries of the rose." And it's funny, I might be drawn to these because I am drawn to roses. For some reason, our rose bush out the front, whenever we're transitioning through something huge, our roses always appear. So yeah, it's been special. Very excited to start using these cards. And then you've got the guidebook there, which is great. Okay, so this is actually got a little bit more color in there. Beautiful. Going through with that rose pink color. Love, 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 love. Okay, so let's have a look. So the Rose Oracle Attunement. Oh great, there's an attunement card. Let's have a look. On the back of this card you will find the Rose Oracle Attunement Altar card. You can use the attunement to ritually connect with your oracle and Mother Rose each time you use it. You can find a free visual and audio on the website. Beautiful. Okay. So this is what the cards look like after the rain. The anointed. And like I said, the design, I'm just always drawn in by the designs. I do believe artwork is by Katie Louise. The bloom. The breathtaking rose. Brothers of the Rose, Sacred Masculine, yes. The bud. And the cards, they feel quite matte, not the super glossy like some cards are, like my Doreen Virtue cards, but I quite like it. The Child Within, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, beautiful. Oh, goodness. Codes of the Seeds. Yes, yes, yes. come to me. The crowning. Oh, wow. Potent. Oh my goodness. Super excited. The fertile void, the grandmothers, yes. The great grandmother. Healing is happening. Yes, that's just some of the cards, but oh, just absolutely stunning. I hope you can see those. I won't go through all of them, so you have a bit of a surprise yourself if you wanted to buy them, or if you come in and we do a reading for you using these cards. They are now an option. I look forward to just sitting with them, connecting in with them, and yeah, just working with them for myself first. Oh, the sun. Yeah. The thorn. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So there we have it, the new Oracle cards from Rebecca Campbell, and I can say I'm in love. So nice. I wouldn't have expected anything else anyways. So yes, I hope you like that unboxing. Let me know, and if you have any questions, yeah, just put a comment below or send me a message.